Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing assets and the project so syncing is possible. Import the audio into the playlist or a sampler track, then set the project's BPM close to the recording's tempo. This preserves timing. Once done, enable the metronome and loop a short reference section so you can hear downbeats. Make sure the audio clip's sample rate matches the project settings to avoid drift, and trim leading silence so the waveform aligns with the grid for the next step. Now you focus on precise alignment using FL Studio Mobile's stretch and slicing tools. Zoom into the waveform and snap to bars or quarter notes, then use the clip time stretch control to fit the audio to bar length. This preserves pitch if you choose time mode. Once stretched, slice at problematic transients and nudge slices to beats, or add tempo markers to match performance timing. Listen repeatedly with the metronome. Adjust small nudges until the downbeats and transients lock to the grid. Finish by validating sync across the whole arrangement and fixing any remaining drift. Play the full section for several bars and watch for phase issues or gradual misalignment. If you spot drift, split the clip where drift begins and apply micro stretch or re-stretch that segment. Once satisfied, bounce a reference audio export and compare it to the original take to confirm everything stays locked. If things still slip, check sample rate mismatch or CPU-induced timing. Restart the app and re-import before repeating the final adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.